Hello, Uyen.
Hello, teacher.
Yes, how are you?
I'm Isaac. I'm Isaac. Oh,
How are you? Are you happy?
I'm I'm fine. Thank you.
Very good. Okay, now look, we have how old are you? I'm 8 years old. How are you? I'm fine. Thank you. Okay? Okay, now last one. How old are you?
Um, um,
How old are you? I'm
fine. Thank you.
very oh listen, listen. Look, look. How old are you?
Um,
I'm
um, um,
I'm 8 years old.
I'm 8 years old.
Great. How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you.
Very good, Anne. Okay, now Ian, look at your book. Are you ready?
Yes.
Wow, nice. So we are in lesson 11.1, My Body. Now let's look at this, listen, and repeat.
Hand,
Hand.
Very good.
hands,
Hands.
Nice. Okay. Look, what is this?
Hands.
Nice. This is my
This
hand.
is my hand.
Great. Okay. Look, one, two. What are these? These are my
This
hands.
are my hands.
Very good. Okay, now your turn again, Uyen. What is this?
This is my hand.
Very good. Now show me your hands. Show me your hands. Show me.
Is a hands.
What are these? These are hands.
This a hand.
Great job. Okay, now Uyen, look, listen, and say
finger,
finger.
Finger.
Very
fingers,
good. Finger.
Fingers.
Yes. Okay, one finger, more fingers. Okay,
Okay.
great. Now, where is your finger? Show me your finger. Show me. Finger.
Finger.
Very good. Show me four fingers. Four fingers. Show me.
Oh, finger.
Nice. Okay, what is this?
It's a finger.
Great job. What are these? These are,
With a finger.
yes. Give me a high five, Uyen. Nice. Okay, now look, listen and say
arm,
arm.
Arm.
Very good. Now show me your arm. Arm.
Arm.
Okay, arm.
Arm.
Show me, show me.
Arm.
Very good. Okay, listen.
arms,
Arms.
Arm.
Very good. One arm, one arm.
What is a arm?
Okay, look, say it's an arm.
Is an arm.
Very good. What are these?
Is an is
These
and
are
which are arms.
great job. Give me a high five. Very good. Okay, look, listen, and say
leg,
leg, leg.
Leg. Leg.
Nice.
legs,
Legs.
Very good. Okay, now look. What is this?
Is a leg.
Very good. What are these?
With a legs.
Yay! Give me a high five. Great job. Okay, now look, listen, and say
foot,
foot.
Push.
Very good.
feet,
Feet.
Fish.
Great job.
Fish.
Okay, look, what is this? What
Is
is
a
this?
fish.
It's a foot.
Is a fish.
Very good. How about these? What are these?
Is this fish a fish?
Great job. Give me a high five, Ian. Nice. Okay. Now look, listen, and say
toe,
Toe.
very good.
toes,
Toes.
Nice. What's this?
Is a toe.
That's right. What are these?
Is a toes.
Great job. Okay, give me a high five, Uyen. Wow, nice, Uyen. All right, Uyen. Now look, listen, and read. What is this? This is my arm.
This is my arm.
Very good. Okay, now look. What are these? These are my
These
arms.
are my arms.
Very good. Okay, now Uyan, look. What is this?
Yes, yes, uh,
This is my
yes, this is my
finger.
finger.
Very good. What are these?
Yes, is my is my
Fingers.
fingers.
Nice. Okay, look. What's this?
Is uh
This is
yes,
my
yes, my this is my
hand.
pen.
Nice. What are these? These are
Yes, these are my these are my
hand.
head.
Nice. Okay. Now look and circle the right word. There is one example. Look. What is this? Hmm. This is a hand. Okay. Now your turn, Uyen. What are these? What are these? These are
Is are my yes is are my
fingers.
finger.
Fingers.
Fingers.
Very good. What are these?
Yes, arm. Yes,
Try again.
fish.
That's right. Teeth. Okay, look. What is this?
Us. Yes, my
This is
this is my
toe.
this is my
Toe.
hose.
Great
Hose.
job. Give me a high five, Uyen. Nice. You've got one candy for that. Okay, now Uyen, look and match. There is one example. Look at this. A finger. It's right here. We have fingers. Now your turn. A toe.
A toe. A a
Very good. Now let's write. Nice, Uyen. Let's write. Let's write, Uyen. P
S
O
O
E S.
E S.
Very good. Okay, now what about this one, Uyen? Uh,
A leg.
very good. Now let's write. Wow, let's write, Uyen. Great job. Okay, number 4. A foot.
Fish.
Well done. Okay, give me a high five, Uyen. High five. Nice. You've got another one candy for that. Okay, now look, read, and tick. There is one example. What is this? This is my
This is
toe.
my toe.
Nice. Now your turn, Uyen. What is this?
This this is my leg.
Wow, well done. Okay, look, what are these?
Yeah, this is
These
this
are
which are this are this are
fingers.
finger.
Yay! What is it?
Yes, yes, a hand.
Great job, Uyen. Give me a high five, Uyen. Wow, nice. You've got another one candy for that. Okay, now, Uyen, let's play a game. You listen and touch. Okay, now listen carefully. Let's play a game. Teacher AM will ask you something. For example, can you touch your arms? Then you say it out loud. These are my arms by touching or showing it. Another example. Can you touch your hand? Then you show me your one hand. You say, this is my one hand. Okay? Okay, here it is, Uyen. Listen.
Hãy chơi một trò chơi.
Giáo viên sẽ hỏi bạn một điều gì đó, chẳng hạn như bạn có thể chạm vào cánh tay của mình không, sau đó bạn nói to đây là cánh tay của tôi bằng cách chạm hoặc cho thấy nó.
Okay. Then here.
Okay.
Một ví dụ khác, bạn có thể chạm vào tay mình được không, sau đó bạn cho tôi xem bàn tay của bạn khi nào bạn nói đây là tay của tôi được không?
When hand you say this to me when okay. Here again. Show me your hand. Then you say this is my hand.
Một ví dụ khác, bạn có thể chạm vào tay bạn được không, sau đó bạn cho tôi xem bàn tay của bạn, sau đó bạn nói đây là tay tôi được không?
Okay, can you show me your hands? These are my hands. Can you show me your hand? This is my hand. Okay?
Okay.
Very good. Now, Uyen, can you show me your arm? Arm.
Arm.
Arm. Arm. Look, can you show me your arm?
Bạn có thể cho tôi xem cánh tay của bạn được không?
Arm.
Arm.
Yes. Okay. Can you show me your fingers? Fingers.
Bạn có thể cho tôi xem ngón tay của bạn được không?
Can you show me your fingers? These are my fingers.
This are my finger.
Very good. Can you show me your hand? Hand.
Hand.
Can you show me your hand? Hand.
Hand.
One hand. This
Hand.
is my hand.
This is my hand.
Very good. Can you show me your arm? Arms. What will you say? These are?
These are arms.
Yay. Give me a high five, Ian. Very good. Okay, last one. Can you show me your leg? Can you show me your leg? Look,
Leg.
this is my leg. Great job. Okay, give me a high five, Uyen. Nice. You've got 2 candies for that. Okay, now Uyen, look and say, what is this?
Leg.
This is my
This.
leg.
This is my leg.
Very good. What are these? What are these? These are
These are legs.
very good. Okay, look. What is this? What is this?
S a spot.
That's right. What are these? What are these?
These are my arms.
Try again. Try again, Uyen. Look, look. What are these? We have arms. Arms. Look, arms.
Arms.
Okay, how about this?
Arms.
What are these?
Is this is my fish.
Okay, these
Fish.
are
Fish are my fish.
very good, Uyen. Okay, look. What's this?
The, this is my this is my this is my this is
So,
so
great job. What are these? What are these,
this
Uyen?
is this is my
These are
this are my this are my
O's.
toad.
Yeah. Give me a high five, Uyen. Nice. Okay, now let's do it faster. Look, what is this?
It is my
One. What is this?
this this is my hand.
Very good. Two. What are these?
It, this is
These
this
are
this are my hands.
very good. Okay, what is this?
It is uh this is my
Finger.
finger.
Great. What are these?
This this is
These
my
are
this are my
fingers.
this are my finger.
Great. What is this?
It, this is my hand.
Yes, great job. Okay, so today you've got, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4 candies. Great job, Uyen. I hope you learned something. Bye-bye, Uyen.
Teacher.
Bye.